What's going on, guys? So today I'm in a random parking lot. Hopefully I'm allowed to be here because I don't know if I am. There's no one here. But today I'm gonna be talking about 5 things I hate or just don't like about my 2018 BRZ. Alright, so since I'm already outside of the car, I'm gonna talk about the outside first. So the first thing, we're gonna go to the back of the car, is this spoiler that they include on this car. I mean, if you're not planning to do anything with it, I mean, it's fine, but they don't have an option to just have like no spoiler at all, and that kind of bothered me because I do want to put a wing on it or a lip or something, and having a stock spoiler really takes that away because I'm stuck with these holes now, and the location of the holes, it goes pretty far up. I mean, you can see like the curves of the trunk are right here, and I don't think there's anything like a lip that's going to go that far up to cover it. So yeah, that's number one thing I don't like about it. Number 2 is definitely exhaust. Yes, it's a stock car. Yes, it's not supposed to be loud, but it's so quiet it bothers me. Like my Dodge Dart, when I had it, I mean, I had an exhaust on it, but before I had the exhaust, it still made some exhaust noise. This is just like overly quiet and it's annoying for me. I'll put a little sound clip of it. Especially when you're inside the car, there is absolutely no noise whatsoever, and it's like bothers me how quiet it is. Range, this car is pretty quick. I think it feels nice, it goes nice, but that, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that little torque dip right there. That torque dip is in a very weird spot. The car really doesn't gain power until like 5,000 RPM, which is like you're running out of room there. Have a tune or anything on it, so I mean, I'm gonna have that real bad until I get that done. But for a stock car, that torque dip is in a terrible spot, and it really does bother me right there. I like music, I'm a musician, so number 4, I'm definitely gonna have to go with the speakers. So when getting this car, I mean, I wasn't expecting to get a car with nice speakers and really nice sound quality and all that. But the fact that it's 2018 and you see what cars are coming with, I was expecting a little bit more. I always heard about a lot of complaints about the sound system in this car. And it's not even the sound system as a whole. It actually sounds really good until you put a little bit of bass. When you add any sort of bass at all to the song, it just kind of sounds like a weird clunking noise. I guess that's a way to explain it. It's like a weird like clunk. I don't know, it just doesn't sound that good with any bass. Other than that, it sounds great, but if they fix that, I think they just have to put better speakers in it, and I think this car would be like 20 times better just in that aspect right there. 5th and final thing, I mean, there's a lot of minor things, but this is, I guess, his 5 top things, is the dampening. I guess that'd be the word. You can hear everything, every little noise outside. When it's raining, to not get annoyed, to put your music up pretty loud, not to hear it. I'm gonna see if I can get a little example for you guys.
You can probably hear me pretty clearly out here, and that's how bad the dampening is.
Yeah, but just those 5 few things. Why are you beeping at me? Are my main complaints with the car. I mean, I could give a whole list. I'm absolutely in love with this car. This is still my favorite car I've ever owned. This is the 4th car I've owned. I'm gonna have to put a counter video this saying things I love about this car, but yeah, those are the 5 things I hate. I'm gonna put a little like slow-mo clip reel things. I haven't done one of those in a little while, even though the car's pretty dirty. I need to clean it. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, check out my other videos. I have a pretty good amount of them at this point, and thanks for watching. See you guys later.